I'm chasing a rattling sound coming from here. If I put the clutch in, put it in gear, and start letting up, it goes away. So it's coming from the transmission somewhere, whether it's the trans or a shifter bushing or something. I have no idea. I've never torn one of these cars apart before. I've done lots of new edges though, quite a few of them. But yeah, I guess we're gonna be chasing this rattle for a while. Okay, so I'm chasing this rattling noise underneath this car, right? That's the shifter bushing up there, I believe. I don't know what the zip ties are doing there, but those don't look factory, if you ask me. I don't think they're factory. But I guess, what do I know? It says Ford on it, so maybe they are. But it sounds like it's coming from up there, the rattling, so I'm trying to, diagnose this thing without tearing it apart too much. Also, another thing I found, there's a loose plug right there. I have no idea what it goes to. Not a clue. It's on the transmission. Fucking MT82 junk. It also is leaking from the drain plug, which is cool. That's been out once or 10 times by the looks of it. Oh well, I found the broken connector. I bet that goes to that. Whoever owned this thing is shitty, I guess. I don't know what else to say. That shit pisses me off. This whole car pisses me off. Anybody want to buy it?